In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect guitar to amplifier. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any guitar and connect it to an amplifier. You will be able to easily get this done with any guitar that you have and any amplifier. The only needed thing is a proper cable. So if you don't have the cable, look for a guitar jack cable. Of course, this is only the general name, you can find it under specific terms, but to keep it simple, just look for a guitar jack cable and purchase any one that you find suitable. As long as you can plug one end into the amplifier and another one into your guitar, you will be good to go. So first, if you look at the bottom of your guitar, you will find a port like this. Make sure that it fits completely and it is very securely attached, and as long as you plug one end of this cable here, and then the other end into the input port of your amp, you will be good to go. So to keep it simple, this end goes into the amp in the input port, and then the other one goes into your guitar. Once you have the cable connecting the amplifier to the guitar, you are good to go. I won't go into too much detail about what you can achieve and what you can do with this, but now you can connect it to a mixer, you can connect it to a computer, your PC, a laptop, to download software, manage your guitar, manage other instruments, and so on. But the purpose of this video was just to show you how to easily set up this connection, and all that you need is a guitar jack cable. One end goes into the guitar, regardless of the model, it should have a port, usually at the bottom, and then the other end goes into your amplifier. Once again, regardless of the model, it is going to have an input port that you use to get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect the guitar to amplifier. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.